हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, बिजनेस हेल्पलाइन चैनल को आपण मान को बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा 21 डिसेम्बर आरंभ करके 31 डिसेम्बर पर्यंत बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट करंट अफेयर्स जोथे कि आपण मान को पई एसएससी, रेलवे, ओपीएससी, ओएसएससी, ओट्रिपलएसएससी टीचिंग जेकोसी एग्जाम पे हम प्रिपेयर करछनी निश्चित भाव आपण मान को हेल्पफुल रहिबो। चलंतो स्टार्ट करबा। चाइना रिसेंटली filed a complaint at the WTO against which country regarding the tariff on ICT product and solar subsidies? Answer hochi India. Which annual defense bill was recently signed by the US President emphasizing Quad and strategic partnership with India NDDA 2026? Who has been appointed as the new UN High Commissioner for Refugees, succeeding Pippo Grandi, Brahman Saleh. Tapare, the Union Home Minister increased the reservation for ex-Agnibir Group C post in CAPF's form 10% to what percentage? 50 percentage. Which initiative was launched by IN Space to establish space technology laboratory in Indian education institution? Antariksha Prayogশালা. India recently defected which country to win the 4-match T20 series 3-1? South Africa. Which country won the Arab Cup football tournament by defeating Jordan? Morocco. Where will the second edition of the Khelo India Beach Game be held from January 5th? Blue Flag Gogla Beach Dew. Which football which football club became the first Indian women's club to win the SAP Women's Club Championship? East Bengal FC. Who is the vice captain of India for the upcoming T20 World Cup? Akshar Patel. Which electoral trust was the biggest donor to political party in 2024-25? Prudent Electoral Trust. Which Indian regulation was mentioned in the US NDAA for alignment with global standards, nuclear liability norms? India's first forest university will be opened in which city? Gorakhpur. Which global bank will set up Asia's largest GCC in Mumbai? JP Morgan. Which festival was inaugurated in Mysore on 21st December 2025? Flower Show. Who won the World Tennis League WTL 2025? Axis Mavericks Kites. The Shanti Bill Nuclear Energy Bill 2025 allows the private participation in which sector? Civil nuclear sector. IN Space was proposed to set up space laboratory in how many educational institutions? 7. Who won the Amateur Golf Championship of India 2025 held in Noida? Sukhman Singh. Who won the women's and men's title at the CCI Western Indian Squash Champion 2025? Josna Chinappa and Veer Chotrani. Which smartphone operating system scored the highest for AI-powered protection as per Counterpoint Research? Android. The Rashtra Prerna Sthal is located in which city? Lucknow. Which Indian startup will launch satellite for the missile tracking from space? Digantara. Indian Railways increase ordinary class fare by how much for journey above 215 km from 26 December 2025? 1 paisa per kilometer. Who has been given additional charge as chairman of AICTE? Professor Yogesh Singh. Which anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft was handed over to the Indian Navy by GRAC INS Ajandeep? India Optel Limited signed a pact with Safran of which country? France. Which aviation startup began ground testing of its electric flying taxi in Bengaluru? Sarla Aviation. Which team won the Under-19 Cricket Asia Cup by defeating India in final? Pakistan. Who won the gold medal in men's 10-meter air rifle at the 68th National Shooting Championship? Kiran Ankush Yadav. Which country finished 2025 as the number one team in FIFA's main world ranking? Spain. What was the growth rate of India's 8 crore industry in November 2025? 1.8%. Where is India's first zero waste model e-waste park being established? Holambi, Kalan, Delhi. Which organization launched a new sustainable energy policy on National Energy Conservation Day? DMRC. Vinod Kumar Shukla, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Literature. Which country replaced the H1B visa lottery system with a wage and skill based priority system? United States. Which Indian cricketer became number one bowler in ICC Women's T20I ranking December 2025? Deepti Sharma. Who has been appointed captain of Delhi Capitals for WPL 2026? Jai Maha Rodriguez. Which team won the third edition of the Global Chess League CGL? Sorry, GCL. Okay. Alpine SG Piper. Okay. Next. Which IIT developed the AI agent ILA for the atomic force microscopy research? IIT Delhi. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ ଭାବରେ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଆମ ସହିତ ଆସୋସିଏଟ୍ ହୋଇଥିବା ସନଡେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ସହିତ ଆପଣ ବି ନିଜର ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ। ଲୋକେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ। ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମେମ୍ବରସିପ୍ ପଡ଼ିବ 699 ରୁପିଜ୍। କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ 9114000110 ନମ୍ବରରେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ ଫୁଲ୍ ଏସି ହଲ୍, ଫ୍ରି ୱାଇଫାଇ, ତା ସହିତ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ସିରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିକି ISOS ଲେଭେଲ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବୁକ୍ସ, ତା ସହିତ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼େ ଫ୍ୟାସିଲିଟି ଆପଣମାନେ ପଢ଼ିକି ନିଜେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବା, ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଡ୍ଡା 247 ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମହାପ୍ୟାକ୍ ନେବା ପାଇଁ। ଆପଣ SSC, OSSC, ରେଲୱେଜ୍ ଯେତିକି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଲେଭେଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଛଡ଼ା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଲେଭେଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଯାହା ଆସୁଛି 2 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ ଯେତେଟା ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ସେତେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋର୍ସ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫ୍ରି ଅଫ୍ କୋର୍ସରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମହାପ୍ୟାକ୍ରେ ମିଳିବ। ଯେମିତି ଲାଇଭ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ମିଳିବ, ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କୋର୍ସେସ୍ ରହିବ, ଟେଷ୍ଟ ସିରିଜ୍ ରହିବ, ଇ ବୁକ୍ ରହିବ। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଗୋଟିଏ ସ୍ଥାନରେ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିପାରିବେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ୱାଇଫାଇ 95 କୋଡ଼୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବେ। ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଅଛି, ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ନମ୍ବର ଯେଉଁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ ହେଲା। କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିକି ଆପଣମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ସେଠୁ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ତା ସହିତ ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭ OPSC OCS ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ 2026 ପ୍ରି ମେନ୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ନିଡ୍ ଅଛି, ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି 7 ଜାନୁଆରୀରୁ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବେ କୋଡ୍ Y595 କୋଡ୍। ଓକେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆସିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର, ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କିଛି କୋର୍ସେସ୍ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି, ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କୋର୍ସ ହେଲା, ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କୋର୍ସ ବି ନେଇପାରିବେ। ଯେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏବେ ଆସିଛି SSC, ଆପଣଙ୍କ OSSC CGL, ଆପଣଙ୍କର OSSCର RI ARI ଅମିନ୍, କିମ୍ବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଗାର୍ଡ଼, ସେଇ କୋର୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ବି ଆପଣମାନେ ନେଇପାରିବେ ହେଲା। ନେଇକି ଆପଣମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କୋର୍ସ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ନେଇପାରିବେ, ସେଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିପାରିବେ। ତେଣୁ ସେଟା ପାଇଁ ବି ଅଡ୍ଡା ପାଖରେ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛି କୋର୍ସ। ଆପଣମାନେ କେବଳ କୋଡ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି Y595 କୋଡ୍ ହେଲା। ଆପଣ ୟୁଜ୍ କଲେ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଡିସ୍କାଉଣ୍ଟ ପାଇବେ, ତା ସହିତ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ବି ପାଇବେ। ଓକେ, ଆପଣମାନେ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ନିଜର ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣି। ଆଉ କିଛି ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣମାନେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ଜଣାଇପାରିବେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ। Who became the fastest batter to score 16,000 runs in List A cricket, breaking Sachin Tendulkar's record? Virat Kohli. Which state team created a world record by scoring 574 upon 6, the highest List A total ever? Bihar. Who has been recommended for the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2025? Hardik Singh. Who set a Guinness World Record by throwing 490 full extension punches in 1 minute? Dipankar Yadav. What position did India secure in the medal tally at the Asian Youth Para Games Dubai 2025? 7th. In which state has the newspaper reading has been made mandatory in school assembly for class 6 to 12? Uttar Pradesh. Where were 100 Atal containers launched offering meals at 5 rupees on Good Governance Day? Delhi. Who has been appointed as the first female Chief Secretary of Odisha? Anu Garg. The Constitution of India was recently released in which language using the OY Chiki script? Santli. India's first tsunami ready village are being developed mainly in which state? Odisha. Which AI based tool has NatGrid developed for facial recognition and data analysis to fight terrorism? Gandhi. Who has been elected as the new president of Honduras? Mm, Nasari Sapura. In which city did Amit Shah inaugurate the NIA Anti-Terrorism Conference, New Delhi? According to GTRI, India's exports in financial year 2025-6 are estimated to reach $850 billion. Who became the youngest player 14 years to score a least century? Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which disease caused the highest number of deaths, 36.4% in India as per MCCD 2023 report? Circulatory disease. Which young cricketer from Bihar received the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025? Vaibhav Suryavanshi. How many children were conferenced with the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar recently? 20. Who was awarded the honorary fellowship by the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland, IRCSI? Professor Dr. Mahesh Verma. Which PSU won 8 national awards from the Public Relations Society of India, PRSI? SAIL. Who won the gold medal in senior men's 25-meter rapid fire pistol for the National Shooting Championship? Suraj Sharma. In which state was the presence of a tiger confirmed after 36 years, making it home to the lions, leopard, and tigers? Gujarat. From which naval port will President Draupadi Murmu undertake a submarine sea sortie on 28 December? Karwar. Who authored the book Evolution of Temple Architecture in Tamil Nadu? J. Ramnan and Brinda Ramanan. Which country became the first in the world to officially recognize Somaliland as an independent nation? Israel. Thailand recently signed a ceasefire agreement with which neighboring country to end border fighting? Cambodia. Which which country successfully tested a superconducting maglev train targeting speed of 1000 km per hour in vacuum tubes? China. Which special operation was launched by Delhi police against organized crime? Operation Agahat 3.0. Scientists developed a broad spectrum antivenom using antibodies from which animals? Camels and lambs. BIS has notified India's first standard for which product? Agarbattis. Who won the 2025 World Athlete of the Year Men's Award? Armand Duplantis. President Draupadi Murmu undertook a sea voyage in which Kalvari class submarine INS Bhagasir, who won the women's singles title at 87th Senior National Badminton Championships in 2025 held in Vijayawada, Surya Charishma Tamiri, who won the men's single title at 87th Senior National Badminton Championship 2025, Ritvik Sanjeevi. Which Indian chess player won the bronze medal at the World Rapid Chess Championship 2025 in Doha? Koneru Humphrey. Which Indian female cricketer recently completed 10,000 runs in international cricket? Smriti Mandhana. In which country was the International Kettlebell Marathon Championship held where India won 25 medals? Hungary. Who won the Veda Fired Rapid Ratings Chess Tournament held in Greater Noida? Jagriti Mishra. In which state did India successfully conduct the first test of Pinaka Long Range Guided Rocket LRGR-120? ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶା. Next, the Defense Acquisition Council DAC recently approved procurement proposal worth how many crore for the armed forces? 79,000 crore rupees. Okay. ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମ ସହିତ ଆସୋସିଏଟ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସନ୍ଡେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ। ସନ୍ଡେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ହେଉଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ୍ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଯେଉଁଥିରେକି ଆପଣମାନେ 699 ରୁପିଜ୍ରେ ଆପଣ ନିଜର ମେମ୍ବରସିପ୍ ନେଇପାରିବେ, ଯେଉଁଥିରେକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫୁଲ୍ AC ହଲ୍ ମିଳିବ, ଫ୍ରି ୱାଇଫାଇ ମିଳିବ, ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ସିରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିକି ISOS ଲେଭେଲ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବୁକ୍ସ ବି ମିଳିବ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ପିସଫୁଲ୍ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ସନ୍ଡେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 9114000110 ନମ୍ବରରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆପଣ ଯଦି OPSC ASO 2026ର ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁଥିରେକି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁ ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷ ଲାଖୁଟାନ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଫୁଲଫିଲମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ, ତାହେଲେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ପଢ଼ି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ପଢ଼ି ନେଇକି ଆପଣମାନେ QR କୋଡ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଇ ବୁକ୍ଟି ନେଇପାରିବେ। ସେମିତି 1200 ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର OPSCର ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ପଢ଼ିକି QR କୋଡ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ବୁକ୍ ନେଇପାରିବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ OSSC CGL ଯେଉଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏବେ ଆସିଛି ତାର ଲାଟେଷ୍ଟ ସିଲାବସ୍ ଦେଖି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଯାହା ଯାହା ସିଲାବସ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ବନେଇଛୁ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଚାହିଁଲେ ଫିଚର୍ସ ପଢ଼ିକି ଇ ବୁକ୍ର QR କୋଡ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରି ନେଇପାରିବେ। ତା ସହିତ OSSCର ଯେଉଁ ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବାହାରିଛି ତାର ବି ଆପଣ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ନେଇପାରିବେ QR କୋଡ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି। ଯଦି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ତଳେ ଗୋଟେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ଅଛି, ସେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ସବୁ ଲିଙ୍କ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ତା ସହିତ ଆଡିସନାଲି ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର RI ଯେଉଁ ଚାଲିଛି ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ତାର ଯଦି ଦୁଇଟା ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ମେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ଼ କରୁଛୁ। ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ OSSC CGL ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୁଇଟା ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି ଫ୍ରି ଦେବୁ। ତାର ବି ଲିଙ୍କ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବନେଇଛୁ, ତାର ଲିଙ୍କ ଦେଇଦେବୁ, ମାନେ ସେଟାକୁ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଆଜିର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ, କାହିଁକିନା ଟାଇମ୍ର ଅଭାବ ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆମେ ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ଆମେ ଲେଣ୍ଡି କରୁନୁ। ଏଇ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ପଢ଼ି ଦେଉଛୁ, ଆନ୍ସର କହିଦେଉଛୁ, ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ତାକୁ ଘୋଷିବା କଥା। କାହିଁକିନା ଜିକେ ହେଉଛି ରିଟେନସନ୍ ପାୱାର, ଯେତେ ଆପଣ ଘୋଷିବେ ପଢ଼ିବେ ମନେ ରଖିବେ ଆପଣ ମନେ ରହିବ। ओके ताको एमती किसी ना जे आप बहुत डिटेल्स डाटा खोजी खोजी पढ़े से टाइम ना पाखे मैथ करेंगे रिजनिंग करेंगे कंप्यूटर करेंगे बुझिपारे जहाँ मिलला पढ़ने ओके थैंक यू सो मच।